Because of this, we call the area commander regarding that so we manage somewhere in other concerns. Myself, the people officers, you senior officers.
When last was this place open?
Engineer.
When last was this place 2008. Yes. Okay. So I'll do the report. Okay. Quite a lot of projects that are ongoing, which we had the opportunity of looking at. We also recall that there are some challenges that over the past months had cropped up. I also needed to see firsthand what the state of affairs are. Haven't gone around, I think we'll now go back and see how best we can address the challenges, while we continue to encourage the contractors that are handling the projects to make sure that they keep to the terms of the contract. A peaceful state brings prosperity to all of us, not just those from within the state, but to Nigeria. And I think we all have to work together to make sure that we make this state a place we love to be in. Thank you.
Sorry. Not so great.
Every other person works from here? From the ICT?
No, not all.
Let's check out.
Because the person that was handling it is Chidiloi.
That's why you should take us to. No, what do you think that? You said that you come to that. This one is already. Yeah, we're supposed to. When the doctor in charge, the medical officer in charge of this place. Let me put together. Where is it? Progress. Somebody. Progress. Where is progress? Progress.
Sorry, please.
Okay, see the person that is on duty.
Tom. Good that way.
Progress is working as a health worker.
Health worker, as a doctor, as what?
No, I'm a health educator.
Where's your boss?
He's around. They have emergency at one of the health center.
So what can you tell us about this place?
Okay, we used here as a sick bed in the council. I was in Emohua. But we are facing little challenge of stealing.
No, that's not the issue. Tell us
What do you do?
Okay, what we do all services apart from operation. But we do immunization, we do delivery, and any other functions that primary care used to carry out.
All the facility and
Emohua local government. They come here for vaccine here. So we have vaccine coaching office.
Important thing here. They store vaccine here and they collect vaccine.
Yes, so it's one of the best now to avoid.
Yeah, no problem.
Wait.
Everywhere.
We shall take it. Those are the buildings.
Is it?
Yes,
When we come, if there is something government will get for that's when
people come to do oversight first of all to be able to do for them. Neither I came around and
This one, I'm just with you.
it's already abandoned. It's already abandoned because they have.
Huh? We're not good there. Do your step.
I know, no,
Is it? Watch your step before you go step on something now.
Oh, okay. You know they bring this to people.
Yeah,
it's inside, but people are it's not working. That's what I'm saying. If there is how government can help to put the structure so that it's working.
I thought you show me a facility that I can be able to this place.
You have staff here?
You have staff? Do you have staff?
We have staff, but they have already relocated them to other facilities because of the nature of this place.